one fillet and I have 2 fillets. Awesome. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you. You know, they always say easy open, but you know, this is just like, ooh, I might have to take this apron off at some point. I'm sure you wouldn't mind. Okay, we have 1 fillet going in. I'm gonna pour this juice all over it, just like that. There we go. Let's go ahead and get the other one open. Ooh, I love salmon. I love a good piece of meat. Go ahead and dump that on there. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. You can watch me as I do that. Okay. All right, so, oh, sorry. All right. Oh, you know what? I'm sorry, but this thing is just so uncomfortable. I have to take it off. I hope you don't mind. Whew. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so much better. Jesus. Okay. So now that I'm nice and comfortable, I am gonna go ahead and cut up these squash. So you wanna cut off the ends first. And you can just skinny slices, medium, whatever you like. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and put them all around the salmon. And I will be seasoning them when I'm done. I think 1 squash is good. Let me go ahead and do this zucchini as well. Oh my God, look at this. I'm sorry, inappropriate. I'm the only one eating this, by the way. So. Okay, go ahead and chop this up. Perfect. Ooh, this one's a little fat. I love zucchini. Okay, let's go ahead and put this in here. See what I'm doing? I'm just putting all of the zucchini, pre-seasoned. So I'm just gonna kind of leave that alone. Okay. Now let me pop this in the oven. Oh, it's not preheated yet. Well, in the meantime, do you think you'll be booking me again? I mean, I don't know how many nude chefs you've had in your life. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the oven even though it's not preheated. It's fine. There we go. And I will be back when it's all done.